Your subscribers, they'll tell you if you see error on your iPhone unable to join network, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi here. So just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if it doesn't help, you can also just try to disconnect from this network and just tap on it. Just forget this network, just submit forgetting this network and just connect to it again from this list. So another thing you can try also to restore your phone. So just go back, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.